Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and give you my first impressions on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I do this video and before I get started, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I picked up the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and T-Mobile actually sent it to me early like they normally do, and I appreciate T-Mobile for sending it out early. They always release their phones earlier than, say, Samsung. I decided to go with T-Mobile because they are giving me $1,000 in trade-in value for my Z Fold 4. Yes, I know, people are gonna call me crazy. But I'm gonna get the Z Fold 5 anyways, but I'm not really using this one right now because I have so many other phones. So I'm getting rid of the Z Fold 4 and picking up the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I actually have been using the phone for about 6 hours now, and I wanna give you my first impressions of it. Just look at that color. When I unboxed it, I was like, oh, just look at it. It is a beautiful color, but here's the box. So let's do an unboxing. Y'all know what y'all get in the box. Nothing is in this box. Like, there's nothing in here. So when you open the box, the phone is right there. There's nothing underneath it. In the top of the box, you get your books, you get your charging cable, and the SIM card slot remover in there. And that's all you get. There's no charging brick, there's no case, there's nothing in there that you get from Samsung. So yeah, I was doing an unboxing. I was gonna actually come home and do the unboxing first, but I decided to actually start using the phone. I was at work when I got it, so I decided to just do, there's the unboxing, y'all. Y'all came for this. Look how beautiful this is. Now, first impressions of this device right off the bat. Beautiful, yummy, delicious. I am trying to think of words that Mr. Android Stud would use on his videos. Premium. It just feels premium, but it does feel light though. The display is beautiful there too. But let's go over the phone. So you have your power button here, your volume rockers at the top. Then you have your microphone on that side. You have nothing on the left side. At the bottom, you do have a couple microphones, your charging port, speaker, and the SIM card injector there, your SIM card holder. And then you also have the pen built into the phone, just like the S22 Ultra, which I guess we need to discuss too. I love how the back is a matte finish again. This is green. They have like 5 different colors. I don't even remember. I think one's like a black, one's a graphite, one's an orange looking color, which they call red. Now, let's go over the specs really too. This one has this new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. You can get in 256, 512, or 1 terabyte of storage. This is actually 512. Because Samsung and T-Mobile was giving a free upgrade, they called it. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It has wireless charging. It has reverse wireless charging, IP68 rating. Now, and that display is beautiful. I mean, this display, when it comes to Samsung, you know this display is going to be top notch. That is a 6.8 inch. They're calling it an Edge Quad HD Plus panel. The resolution is 3088 by 1440. So it is a beautiful looking panel, man. And it gets bright. It has 1750 nits of brightness. 120 hertz refresh rate. Everything that you expect from a Samsung flagship phone, this phone actually has. I mean, just look at, the display is beautiful. When you're watching YouTube videos on here, the little bit of videos I was watching on there, this version comes with 12 gigs of RAM. I think they also have 8 gigs of RAM when you get the 256. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, if I didn't say that already. The front camera, the selfie there, is a 12 megapixel camera there. All right, so on the rear cameras, you have a 200 megapixel main shooter. That's a wide angle. Then you also have a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Then you have a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. And then you have another telephoto lens, which is 10 megapixels, and that is 10 times optical zoom. You get 100 times space zoom on here. You can do 8K on this phone, 4K at 60 on both the front and the rear cameras. So everything you expect from a Samsung device you have on here. Now, we can discuss if this is an upgrade from, say, the S22 Ultra, but I'm gonna do that in a different video. This is just a walkthrough, a first impressions. Like I said, I've been using it, and it works smooth. Everything, the cameras looks pretty good. The fingerprint scanner is fast. Face unlock is even faster. So everything that you expect from a Samsung phone is there. Now, when you have the S21 Ultra, is that an upgrade? I'm gonna say yes. This one doesn't even have the pen in there. So if you're coming from the S21 Ultra, is an upgrade to the S23. Look at that. Let's do a little size comparison with the S21. Yes, the S23 is a little bit wider, and it just has a whole different shape to it. Also, let's check out the storage. I know some people they was talking big, talking about having almost 60 gigs of storage being used. They do have some bloatware on here too. I have T-Mobile, so I might have to do some removing of apps. But let's check out the storage here. So right now, the system is using 59.77 gigs of storage right off the bat. You can see right there. That is a lot. I don't know what y'all think about it. Let me know in the comments. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to do this quick first impressions, show y'all what y'all get in the box, which is not much. But y'all let me know what type of videos you want to see from me on this device, like a gaming test, a camera review. Do you want me to put it against the Fold 4 for a camera comparison? I also have the OnePlus 11. I probably will do a camera comparison there. I'm going to do a camera test, speaker test. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see. I will definitely try to make it. If you get a device, let me know where you got it from. If you decide to pick it up, what color, what size, storage, whatever else you want to leave. Let's have a friendly discussion going about this phone. And just to recap, for the first 6 hours, this thing has been a beast. Everything that you expect from a Samsung flagship phone. It is quick, the screen is beautiful, the camera seemed really good, which I'm gonna do more testing on. It's overall a great flagship phone right now. Now, like I said, we can discuss if it's an upgrade in other videos. This is just the first impressions of this device here. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.